Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the FredExcel channel. Today we are going to look at the navigation pane, how to use the navigation pane to move from one worksheet to another. How do we get to the navigation pane? First, we go to View, the View tab. In the View tab, we go to the Show Group. In the Show Group, we have the navigation pane. The moment you click on the navigation pane, the navigation pane launcher will be launched and you can see all the sheets in here. So you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If you click on sheet 1, you can see the tables are formed in there. You can see the object. So the moment I click on the picture to take me to the picture object in sheet 1. I can also rename here. Assuming I want to rename sheet 4, right click, select rename, and I can name it Fred. You click on OK. If you are finding difficult to locate the navigation pane, simply you can go to the search. So far as you are using Excel 365, you can go to the search and type in the navigation pane and it will show up. You select it and quickly it's launched and you can do your editing or move from one sheet to another. So I can move to sheet 10. It will take me to sheet 10. This is how smart you can use the navigation pane in your Excel workbook. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.